Congress leader and MP candidate Udit Raj says that people of the country want Rahul Gandhi to become the prime ministerial face. He also added that Rahul Gandhi is not hungry for power. This statement comes in the backdrop of former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel his earlier statement proposing Rahul's name for the prime ministerial post. Now it's another leader of the Congress party who's making the Rahul for PM pitch, and this is coming in when 3 phases of elections are still left. From the INDIA bloc, you've also heard what Mamata Banerjee said, but let's listen into what Udit Raj said.
He's a most popular leader. He's a #1 popular leader in the country. He deserves so many things. And he was to become prime minister in 2009, which he did not. He is not hungry for it. But people want him.
So the Rahul for PM pitch is escalating in the camps of the Congress party. But when the burning question was posed to the Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav, he gave a very vague reply saying that it's part of the INDIA bloc strategy. Listen in.
नहीं, हम अपनी कोई स्ट्रेटजी आपको नहीं बताएंगे। भाई किस बूथ पे बीजेपी हारी हम क्यों बताते हैं इनको?
नहीं, मैं राहुल गांधी पर सवाल
उसमें भी कोई नहीं बताएंगे, हमारा स्ट्रेटजी का पार्ट है।
हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी का पार्ट है, says Akhilesh Yadav. So who exactly is the prime ministerial face of the INDIA bloc? Is it Rahul Gandhi? Is it Mamata Banerjee? Is it Arvind Kejriwal? Is it Uddhav Thackeray? Is it Sharad Pawar? Or is it someone else altogether? Now, when this question is asked to INDIA netas on multiple occasions, they duck it sometimes and they deflect it on other instances.
I have no idea about what Bhupesh ji has said. And जो भी उन्होंने बोला होगा, those must be his feelings. But Rahul ji is a national leader. मैं पहले से बोल रहा था, जो national leader होता है, he has to be truly national. He fought from South India, now he's fighting from North India.
इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे, इलेक्शन जीतेंगे तो उसके बाद ही फैसला करेंगे कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन होना चाहिए। तो मुझे ये लगता है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है वो बीजेपी को देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि बीजेपी ने ही कहा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया ने खुद कहा है जो इस वक्त हैं कि 75 के बाद मैं नहीं रहूँगा। तो आज हमारा सवाल यह है कि अगर वो नहीं रहेगा तो आने वाला वक्त में बीजेपी किसको प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनाएगी अगर गलती से वो इस पोजीशन में पहुँचे।